for now.
Hi guys, welcome today to another Minecraft video. In this video I will be showing you my iron frame combination lock, the new design. And as you can see, when I set my password, the lamp should turn on, and my password is facing away to this redstone lamp. And when I set the password correctly, as you can see, it's turn on the lamp, the redstone lamp, and give me a golden apple, or you can change it whatever you want. And yeah, look at the redstone behind it. It is very compact indeed. Yeah, as you can see, you can change the input right here, output, sorry, or place a redstone dust. Yeah, let's start building this, guys. Okay guys, first thing you wanna do is make a 7 by 7 spacing, and you're also gonna need to dig down at least one, and come here to this left bottom and place a 2 block like this, and same thing to the other side. Place a compactor. Make sure it's on subtraction mode. Next thing you wanna do is place make the iron frame, wall frame, to make sure you can recognize it, and place the torch or whatever you want. I'll be using torch, or you use, because it's nice. And yeah, place no, just a redstone dust right there. The other side, just very repetitive, guys. Just follow compactor, make sure it's on subtraction mode. That is very important, guys. Place a block on top of the torch. Same thing to the other side, top of the torch. Oops. And place a block behind the compactor. Same thing to the other side. Place a block behind the compactor again. Then place a block in front of the compactor. And next thing you wanna do, and place the iron frame right there. Same thing to the other side, iron frame right there. Next thing you wanna do is place a torch behind the compactor that you placed the iron frame. And yeah, let's start the top iron frame. And nope, just place a half slab right there. And just same thing to the bottom. Just place compactor with, and block right there. Place compactor facing to this compactor, to the other side, compactor, and block. Wait, I think I will miss. I'll just break this block. Place a block in front of the compactor, and this is very tricky. Place redstone dust right there. And same thing to the other side. Just place a 4 block right there. The repeater, the redstone dust, the compactor. Make sure it's subtraction mode. Place a block in front of it. Place a torch. Yeah. And the thing you wanna do, guys, this is very important. Just break this blue circuit. I've been messed up. I was thinking, just break this can see, the redstone torch should turn up, and yeah, just do it in the full or full size, and stay. Oops, why? Oops, make sure it is in subtraction mode. And wait, as you can see, the redstone torch should turn off, and this time as the signal strength is 1 and then 2. Find this to this right bottom. As you can see, the lamp should